Hey y'all, welcome back to the party. It's me, your girl, BrittReacts, and today we are reacting to Montrose Bad Motor Scooter. Let's see what they have to say. Are we going to talk about his hair? Are we going to talk about these blue pants? You betcha. I mean this in the best, most respectful way. He looks like a poodle. Like, his hair is so gorgeous. It's just big and fluffy and healthy. It's stunning. And these blue pants, these blue slacks, someone get them to me expeditiously. Is this the 70s? Because if it is, then I'm understanding why I'm obsessed. Because y'all know how I feel about the 70s. Let's keep going. Get on your bed, on a scooter and ride. I'm going to my place to stay all night. Oh, yeah. It's definitely the 70s. My homeboy playing the guitar has on a pair of heels. It's definitely my favorite era in music. The 70s, it's magic. Is this rock and roll in the 70s? My place to stay all night. Oh, yeah. I like how the music kind of does this shit. You're the master to see your da da da, like that change. I like that. I swear that no one would take your place. Now since you've been gone, I've been feeling better, yes. I come out to your place, I'm afraid of your bad. Ooh. Get in your bed, so the scooter ride. No, this is just like great rock out music. Like what? I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not 100% sure what he's saying, and I don't need to. I don't care. I love what I'm seeing. I love what I'm hearing, and it feels good. I feel good listening to it. And sometimes, friends, that's all that matters. Okay? Because in a world full of the world, sometimes you just want to feel good. This makes me feel really good. Ride, ride, ride. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Bring it up. Of course there's a guitar solo. Of course. Get on your bad motor scooter and ride. Now, is it bad because it's a lemon, or is it bad like bad mama jamma bad? Let me know in the comments, because I told you I'm not 100% sure what we're talking about here, but that's okay. I heard the get on your bad motor scooter and ride, and I feel like that's all I need to know. That's all I need to hear. Thank you. I feel like could have sung on this song, Tina Turner. I feel like Tina Turner could have came on this song too. She could have featured on this song, and it would have been another like addition to the good time that we're having. It just feels very, you know, there's something about it. There's something that's happening in the song. Get in the bed, you gotta ride. Motor school. Get on your bed, yeah. Yup. Go get on your bad motor scooter and ride. And have the day you deserve. Peace.